house. Pull up with my minute.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a little shortcut on this wig. As you guys can see, it's like a shortcut. This is how it looks. It's old. I done bleached it so many times. So I'm just gonna do a cute little shortcut on this wig. So I'll be back once I get started. Okay. So first I'm gonna section it off to a part that I want. So I kind of got the parting right. You don't want no tracks to show on the back. So okay, so after you guys done section off your hair to whatever part you wanted it to be at, next I'm going to go ahead and clip that to the side. And once I have it clipped to the side, oh, don't worry about the white stuff, that's just the thread. That'll be hidden anyway. So once I go ahead and clip this hair off to the side, as you guys can see, I'm just making sure everything is right, and I'm detangling the hair and everything. So you're going to go ahead and clip that to the side, and you're going to get you a water bottle. And you make sure the hair is saturated with water and everything. So what I'm doing is wetting down the hair, and I'm going to start off by detangling the section that I'm going to work with. I'm going to part that section off. And then once I go ahead and do that, as you guys can see, I'm going to section off the part that I want to cut first. So once that part is sectioned off and clipped to the side, you can either clip it to the side or do whatever else you want to do with it. So I wet that again, and I'm detangling this section. And I'm going to go ahead and see how short I want the haircut. That's why I'm going to hold it tight and pull it back to the side so I can see how short I want my cut to be cut. You see what I'm doing right here? That's what I mean. So once that is gone ahead and pulled to the side, then instead of cutting before the finger, I'm cutting palm. Like, you'll see where I'm cutting. And I'm not cutting downwards, I'm cutting upwards here. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this together. You see, I pulled it to the side to see how short I want it, to see how I want it to lay. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to take my shears and I'm going to cut upward. You guys take your time with it. It's not a rush or anything. This video is sped up a little bit. So you guys take your time and go ahead and work. And I'm going to do the same way throughout the head. We're going to work in sections, and then, hey, I'll be back.
Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe.
guys, so right here I'm sectioning off the back, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and detangle this and make sure the hair is pulled taut and tangled free. And as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and go with my shears, and I'm just going to go ahead. So as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and cut this hair. I'm just trying to figure out which way I was cutting. So I cut both ways. I cut from the top and I cut from the bottom. As you guys can see here, yes, I do have that little peak there, but hey, don't worry, we're going to go ahead and fix that in this video. Yeah, it's okay for it to look like that, but don't worry, this thing is coming into play, honey. I am not playing. I don't care if you say it is Michael Myers, whatever, but this bitch is busting. So as you guys can see, I'm going ahead and I'm continuing to trim up all the little swaggly ends and everything. As you guys can see, like, she is forming. I don't care what anybody say. She is coming together. Whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all see me finish the rest. I know y'all sick and tired of my little voice or whatever, but hey, it don't matter. So just keep taking your time, saturating your hair with water. It's not a rush. It's really not a rush. I'd rather you cut too little than too much, because if you cut too little, you can go back in and fix it. But if you cut too much, like y'all gonna see, I'm gonna fuck up on the other side, and I'm gonna cut too much and I can't do shit about it. So I just rather you guys take your time. Just take your time. There's no rush. Like, it's no rush. Like, take your damn time. And stay one way. Like, cut one way. I'm having camera problems. But hey, see, I'm just gonna take my time and it's gonna come together, y'all. I promise y'all. I promise. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's gonna come together. guys for staying to the end, and this is the final result of the wig. I just put it on my head, and this is it. I just thank you guys for staying to the end, and yeah, thank you. Don't forget to check out my latest videos. Like, comment, and if you want to, you can share this video. Thank you guys so much.
Keep it sauce until nobody in the city smoke